Hey everybody, my name's Ashley and I'm a solutions architect at Furious. I return with another exciting brand new HubSpot feature that I want to bring to everyone's attention. HubSpot has just released Trendlines against your reports within HubSpot. Now this is in beta and readily accessible to everybody with the relevant plans. What this enables companies to do is to actually start identifying some trends against your reports simply. And it does this by actually just inserting the trend line into the report to help you obviously identify things like commonalities within your reporting itself. So this understands things like common patterns, trends, and changes that may take place. So jumping into the HubSpot portal, as you can see here, I've just got an example report. And when you go into the actual view and filter section, from here is when you'll then notice we have the option to insert the trend line. This trend line can either be linear or logarithmic. And upon selection of that, you will see then that HubSpot will just insert the trend line into your reports. Now, if you wish to, you can select update the existing report, and then that will save and keep that trend line in your report moving forward. So as you can see here in this other example report I'm just showcasing, simply by selecting the trend line relevant, it will then insert that for us. And if we wish to keep this as a permanent fixture, just select save.